Long ago, there was a prophet named Suleiman alayhi salam, also known as Solomon, peace be upon him. He was a powerful king in the Levant area, which includes parts of modern-day Palestine, Jordan, and Syria. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed Prophet Suleiman alayhi salam with many gifts, such as controlling the wind and jinns. Jinns live in tribes, eat, drink, and can choose to be bad or good like humans. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave Prophet Suleiman alayhi salam the power to talk to animals too. There is a story of this in the Quran, chapter 27, Surah An-Naml, in verses 18 and 19. One day, Prophet Sulaiman, peace be upon him, gathered his huge army in 3 groups. One group was an army of men, another group was an army of jinns, and the other group was an army of birds. The army of birds was protecting the other groups from the hot sun. One time, they were going to one place, and on the way, an ant saw King Suleiman's army. The ant cried out to warn the other ants, "Run to your homes! Otherwise, Suleiman alayhi salam and his army might crush you accidentally." Prophet Suleiman, peace be upon him, heard the ant and smiled. He ordered his army to be careful of the ants. Suleiman, peace be upon him, became very grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving him the ability to understand the ants' language and save the ants' lives. The story of Prophet Suleiman, peace be upon him, and the ants teaches us 3 important things. First, it reminds us to be kind to all creatures, no matter how small they are. Second, it teaches us to be humble, no matter how powerful we become. Even though Suleiman, peace be upon him, was a powerful king, he stopped to make sure the little ants were okay. Finally, this story reminds us to take care of our planet and all the creatures on it. There is even a hadith from Sahih al-Bukhari where Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that there is a reward for serving or caring for any living being. As Muslims, we believe it is our job to take care of the earth and everything living on it. So, we should always be kind, humble, and responsible towards all living beings. This is the end of our story from the Quran for today. If you would like to learn more about the powerful Prophet Suleiman alayhi salam and all of his blessings, make sure to check out our Prophet Story series and see his video in the description down below. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
Join us in this great dawah work and get countless of rewards during the month of Ramadan by giving a one-time donation or becoming a monthly supporter, and inshallah, Allah will give you the highest reward to you and your family in this world and the hereafter. Jazakallah, and we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that all of you are safe during this time. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.